This is Beth with Carolina Eye Candy. To learn how to clean your eyelash extensions and to keep them free from debris, then check out this video. For the best in lashes, brows, and skin, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell to get that Monday notification when a new video is posted. So if you're going to make the investment in eyelash extensions, you definitely want to make sure you're keeping your lashes clean. But you need to know the proper way to do it so that you're not causing the lashes to fall out, and you want to make sure that you're not pulling your lashes out either. So check out these two different ways that you can clean your lash extensions, and I hope this is something that you will benefit from. So the first way that you can clean your lashes is by using a very soft makeup brush with an oil-free eye makeup remover and cleanser. This is the Carolina Eye Candy Eyelashes and Eyelid Cleanser. It is oil-free, it's very gentle, and I'm just going to place this on the makeup brush, which I've already dampened, and I'm just going to swirl this around my eye. You can use as much or as little as possible depending on how much you need to clean. I don't have on any eye makeup, so I don't need much cleanser right now. So you swirl that all around the eye area, do one eye at a time, and keep the eye closed, and then you want to rinse off the brush, remove any excess water, and then remove the cleanser. And you can use a dampened sponge like I have right here to wipe all around the eye and the lash area to remove the cleanser, and you can see it doesn't take out any of my lashes or lash extensions. Now the second way you can clean your eyelash extensions and eye area is still using the same type of cleanser, but you will be using lint-free sponges and lint-free applicators. You want to make sure you're using products that are lint-free because they will not leave any debris or fibers in your lashes, and they won't snag or pull on your lashes either. So I have cleanser that I've placed on one of the lint-free applicators, and then I'm going to place the sponge underneath my lashes, and I'm just going to go through my lash area and lash line with this lint-free applicator, cleansing the area really gently. And again, you can use as much or as little cleanser as needed for your eyes. And then I'm going to use a dampened sponge and remove the cleanser and rinse the area. So there you have it. I have cleansed my eye area and my eyelashes. My eyelash extensions have not been pulled out. And don't judge me right now because I could definitely use a fill-in at this point, but I still have eyelash extensions on, and cleansing my eye area and my eyelashes did not cause any of the extensions to come out. So if you'd like a copy of the Carolina Eye Candy Eyelash Style and Care Guide, you can get your free copy. There is a link to it in the description box. And if you're wearing eyelash extensions and you've had a fear of cleansing your lashes, or if you have a different routine, let us know in the comment section. Let us know what you're doing to keep your lashes clean. And thanks so much for liking this video and subscribing to the channel. But these are just a few tips to help you to keep your eyelash extensions clean and to protect your investment. Thank you for liking this video, subscribing, and commenting below with hashtag Carolina Eye Candy if this video helped you. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments. It's our pleasure to answer your questions, and we wish you much beauty and many blessings.